Head. I touch my head. Hair. Her hair is long. Scalp. My scalp itches. Forehead. He has a wide forehead. Temple. She rubbed her temple. Eyebrow. Your eyebrows are thick. Eyelid. My eyelid is heavy. Eyelash. She has long eyelashes. Eye. Close your eye. Pupil. The pupil gets smaller and light. Iris. Her iris is brown. Ear. My ear hurts. Earlobe. He pulled her earlobe. Nose. Wipe your nose. Nostril. Air goes through my nostril. Cheek. She kissed my cheek. Face. Wash your face. Jaw. His jaw is strong. Chin. He has a pointed chin. Mouth. Open your mouth. Lip. Her lips are soft. Upper lip. His upper lip is dry. Lower lip. Bite your lower lip. Tooth. I lost a tooth. Teeth. Brush your teeth. Tongue. Stick out your tongue. Beard. He grew a beard. Mustache. His mustache is funny. Neck. My neck is stiff. Throat. My throat is sore. Shoulder. She tapped my shoulder. Collarbone. I hurt my collarbone. Chest. He has a broad chest. Breast. The baby drinks from the breast. Nipple. The nipple is sensitive. Back. Lie on your back. Waist. This belt fits my waist. Abdomen. My abdomen feels tight. Belly. Rub your belly. Navel. She has a pierced navel. Hip. Put your hands on your hips. Buttock. He fell on his buttock. Butt. My butt hurts from sitting. Groin. He pulled a muscle in his groin. Penis. A man has a penis. Testicle. He felt pain in his testicle. Scrotum. The scrotum protects the testicles. Vulva. The vulva is part of a woman's body. Arm. Raise your arm. Elbow. Don't put your elbow on the table.
Thank you for watching.